Whenever your friends John and Judy visit you together, y'all have a party. Given a data frame with 10 rows representing the next 10 days of your schedule, and whether John and Judy are scheduled to make an appearance, insert a new column called Days Till Party that indicates how many days until the next party relative to each day. Days Till Party should be 0 on days where a party occurs, 1 on days where a party doesn't occur but will occur the next day, and so on. Here's the solution I came up with. Let's break it down. The first step is to build a series that indicates whether each day is a party. Next, I reverse the series and then call CumSum, which calculates the cumulative sum of the values, keeping in mind that true is synonymous with the value 1 and false is synonymous with the value 0. This has the effect of grouping indexes or days together which look forward to the same party. For example, days 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all have ID 1 because they're all associated with the same party that occurs on day 5. Next, party.groupBy open parens groups partitions the data in the party series based on unique values in groups and maps them back to the party series based on matching index labels. For example, index labels 9, 8, 7, and 6 are going to get grouped together. Index labels 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 are going to get grouped together, and index label 0 is going to get grouped on its own. Then the CumCount method simply counts the elements in each group, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, except I use ascending equals false to count backwards. And that's going to give us the days until the next party. You can see it if we tack that on to the original data frame. The only issue is that after the last known party, we really should have NAs. So if we pick out the index of the last known party, which we can do with party.log square brackets party .index square brackets -1, then we can set everything after that index equal to NA.